The SENG SAMLA SHNONG Nongrim Jyrmie in Ribhoi district had felicitated students who were successful in the secondary school leaving certificate examination of 2021. The chief guest on the occasion was MLA of UMSNING MAWLONG. Also present during the function was the RANGBAH of Nongrim Jyrmie, TA LAPANG, the president of SENG SAMLA, the SENG KYNTHEI and others. During the day, the MLA of UMSNING constituency, MAWLONG, inaugurated the LP school that was renovated under the SRWP scheme, and later the Nongrim Jyrmie Darbar Hall, whose electrical wiring had been sanctioned under the MDC scheme.
Compare mo, lasai pila belong ki engineer, lasai pila belong ki doctor, ne lasai pila belong politician lele compare. But kano ka jing ang nujupi, what pilihan oi? Try shito. But habang ngajukran kaleng saudong, ngatray ni feedback video kaleng saudong. Ngajuong ma nakari hakam kasposa hakam puli puti ngajuong bitang kaway ko pidong kamanlong. Pide belong discipline. La kabam kadi dimente bahano kapor. Kathya kadam dimente bahano kapor. Ban puli ko dimente kapor. Dan lala ka bintang eh. Ini belong discipline. Matray na milong discipline ngayon nga. Pi di kon samlaban eh. Nah, dia hakan aku nak mentah. Dia orang kait, so macam tu. Bukan long kata, bang ia pi sanbun, bang ia pi hidup sa, pi don disiplin, bang sa pas bah. To shim dia kan ni, mak kabur pia yo. Bah ini ki hab ki boleh hang ni asno kam tak, bakal orphan boleh. Ni tan sanbun. Ni kuaman permisu kita ki keluar jangan ni asno, nang ni asno, nang ni na ta, nang ni na po ka district ibu aku way. Compare, kaswas, boleh buti na haka egi pi don interest. Pi ki Hon samla ki badan hamne. To shime kata inuksa ibadat ngabang aya.